Hi, in the last lessons we learned about some of the styling and formatting options. In this lesson that we are going to learn about table with bar and heat maps. Let us come back to our studio, Google Data Studio. So this is the table that we have created in the last sessions. Okay, so we have the options like chart, add a chart, table. You can see this is a simple table here, and then second option is there on the table is table with bars, and third option is there table with heat map. These are the three options that the three that we are going to see in these lessons. Okay, the simple way that when we create a simple like simple table that we have created, you see, by creating this table number one that we have created, we can change it. Okay, so under styling option we can go to styling options. So we can go to styling options. Under styling options we can see uh, there is one under metric, there is a number. You can see this is styling option. We can select the table, then we can come back to the style, then under metrics, because we are changing this as per the sales is a metric variable. Okay, therefore under metric two parameters are there. Under the parameters one we have taken, that is dimensions, we have taken as subcategory, and as a metric we have taken as sales. This is the here we can change it to, suppose take for example, we'll make it a heat map. So this is a heat map, means it is differently, it is we can see that color, that figures having more cells, the cat subcategories having more cells are also there. Okay, we can change this to, take for example, we can go to like ascending order, we can go to sales. Take for example, we can select it to sales. Okay, so now it has come. Okay, the sales that are having uh, more value, that are deeper in color, and those are having lesser value, that means those are lighter in color. Okay, so let us come back to this styling options. So under this we'll see the metric, this under this metric heat map. This is a heat map. Okay, heat map, what happens, heat map gives us a color, combinations like the that is reverse you can do. It depends on the sorting order, whether you are sorting in ascending order and descending order. Accordingly lighter color and deeper color will appear. Similarly, let us see this bar chart. Take for example, we can convert this into bar chart. Okay, this is a bar chart. Okay. These are the subcategory. We can always adjust this. Okay, this is a bar chart. This is a bar chart. This is a bar chart we have created. These are the subcategory. Under table we have created bar. Okay. Take for example, we want to show number. Okay, this is the label. These are the labels that we can see. Okay, these are the labels. So the show number means we have select the compact number k, compact number k, because we do not want to see the absolute number, therefore k. So decimal we have selected one as one, we can also select as 0. Okay, that means the decimal will not appear here in this case. So this is how we can create a normal table into a heat map, or into a bar table. Okay, so this is one way that we can create a heat map, or we can create a like bar chart. Okay, so otherwise we can also directly add it here. Take for example, uh, this is bar, so we can drag here. Okay, we can drag here according to our requirement, we can make it. Okay, we can make it according to our requirement. So let us select it. So this is the dimension is or order id. Here it is record count it has taken. We will change it to once again cell subcategory. Subcategory we will make it as subcategory SUB subcategory. Okay, and record count will change it to sales. Okay, suppose take for example we can make it profit. Take for example we can make it profit. So how much profit it is making. Okay, So similarly, this is a bar chart we are doing. So we can go for styling options. We can go for styling options. Under styling options, we'll see the metric. Metric here it is written bar. We can have also number. So it is coming. So one we have created here for sales. We have created for. Similarly, if we want to create a heat map, take for example, okay, we will remove this. It will be a simple table. We will make it a simple table. Take for example, how to make it a simple table. We have to go to styling options. On the styling options, because this is uh, that metric variable we are dealing with here. So what we will do, we will make it just a number. Okay, so compact number. If it is not a compact number, see that if you are not choosing this, the absolute number will come. Compact number option is coming. So this is one simple table. This is one uh, bar table. Okay. So we can create another. Take for example, we'll add a chart and we'll create a heat map. Or we can let us delete it. Okay. We can copy this and once again we can paste it. Okay, we can paste it here. We can always adjust as per our requirement. Okay, we can adjust as per our requirement. Suppose take for example, okay, we will bring it here down. So we can make it into a heat map. Like we can go to here also as well. We can convert into a heat map. This is also one option we can make it. Okay, so tables property we can also here, if we want to make it a simple chart, we can make it a like sales. Okay, we can there are options here under table properties. All these are here. Okay, so basically what we have done in this lessons, we have learned about how to create a simple table, how to convert this table into a heat map or it into a bar chart. Okay. So that's for the lessons. We will have more discussions about this or about aggregation in the next lesson. Thank you.